See them, we have all our eyes at the penthouse.
Bad me bad so me can beat me chest. Me pussy never yet cause a man dead. If a girl bad tell her fi just step them a
Me start fuck back the ex-girl.
shh.
Me, this my boss for you, and you this me. But you never know when my boss do. My boss orchestrate everything. Cause I tell my boss say me love you, you know. And I tell my boss say you love me, and boss say he love you.
I'm not the type of person to make any human being look smaller than me. Because I'm a human being too. See? But at the same token, I don't want to allow somebody to do it to me. At the same token.
I mean, I see why the constabulary force should have go after Kiprich for doing a dub plate. A dub plate is a artistic expression.
We up straight vibes, jump and champagne. Boom, I admire everybody.
Up in the man. Yo, Jano. Yo, viewers and subscribers, catch up here now. We're going to talk about Lisa Hype. You see, we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel. We're going to talk about Dexta. You see, yo, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate that. You see, as I say now, when I'm doing a bag along chatting like this, you see, catch a one now. Yes, viewers and subscribers, yeah, we're back again, you know, with an epic one. You know where badness come down. Yeah, we have Tony Materan over here to see me I say a few things. You see, yeah, man. So, here me I say, when you jump down in them clippage, show some love. You see me, like, share, subscribe. Yo, I appreciate you know a lot. You see me, yo, when I leave an opinion. Yeah, man. I just say reach now. Yo, Lisa Hype, when you go stop? Yo, mind a flap your career in a girl. Cause you come on the media and I tell all this bag of lie about entertainer. Yo, man, get yourself in a trouble, girl. Yo, hold it down, man. Keep it down, man. Yo, on the list where Dexta up over here, so say. Then after, we I go jump over in a Lisa Hype clippage. You see me, Lisa Hype, that's a type of bag of things. And then after a while, she come and say, yo, nothing like that never did I go on. She pranked the world and way. Yo, Lisa, I remember you're an artist, you're not a prankster, you're not a YouTuber, you're not a TikToker, you're an artist. Remember that, I got knock that in your head. You get me? So yo, be careful of what you say about the entertainer them. You see, but here we go on, people you jump over and I clip it, show some love. You see, leave an opinion. I just say it there. Yo, watch out now. Big up on a Friday same way, don't. No joke about it. Yeah, man. Big up on the damn self again. Alright, jump over and I clip it and listen where the extra that affair say now. You see me? Lisa Hype, draw the dogs pan a level, but you know, you know, this Lisa Hype or nothing, you know? So yeah, man. You just check them thing out.
I'm not the type of person to put down any woman in her life. I've never been, and I never will be. See me I say? I'm not the type of person to make any human being look smaller than me. Because I'm a human being too. See? But at the same token, I don't want to allow somebody to do it to me. At the same token, can't allow somebody to do it to me, you get me? So, yeah, when you just, this, you know, I'm going to direct this to your family. If our family see this, please get her medication or whatever she need or whatever it is. Our family may have to make sure we direct this too. Before this get crazy, take care right. You see me? With all respect you. Wanna just take care right, man. You get me? Guy can't get crazy, no man. Just take care right, man. You get me? Cause I have nothing to do with that. You get me, I say. Imagine me not see somebody in over 5 years and this aunt me. Imagine Mother Mary coming in my life, come tell me all of this. Mother Mary. I don't want to say something. The only woman will ever breathe without a man touch her name Mary. Oh, we have 2 Mary in the world. One Mary we have. One fucking Mary. Stop go around Mary thing. Only one Mary. With that being said, we just want to say, just take care of the family, just take care of her, please. You get me? I mean, as we said, I don't want to go too far with it. I don't say too much. But I see it a spiral out of control. I don't like it. Take care of Mary, man. You see me? Make sure say she good. Cause when I hate her, we just can't bother the fuckery. You get me? I'm gone here, man. Bumbuckler. Cause I like what this I got to do it up. I don't know what they love job by that. When if you take care of the girl, yo, and stop make you tell the fucker and stop swell up things. Take care of the girl. I want our artists them in the industry. And do the right thing here.
And I train your wife up, you know. And it's a siren spiritual shit have over here, you know, boy. And so do see and hypnotize you, make your wife far up, you know. Remember the whole industry function, you know. See? Remember now, and these are facts, because we not do fiction. I mean, I said, John won't stop.
Bad me bad so me can beat me chest. Me pussy never yet cause a man dead.
This broke my vibes. Big Dexta, that's a wife of Shana Chin. I said, no man, I forgot give him a one and boots him ego. We see same thing bigger than that. Remember the first time we fucking at that part? Hold you down and take you. For boots your ego, build your self-esteem, you know. But then me realize it's not a self-esteem problem. It's a Capricorn thing. Me realize a Capricorn man love turn trash in a treasure count of feel on a God. So I say, alright then, you see me, since me the Lulu, alright then, me do Lulu. Cause the cock is sweet. Me do Lulu. Alright, fine, no problem. I'm mad. Alright, fine, no problem. So I go so happy him love the rape. I go so bombs and suck the cock with passion. Him go to a song. Me love a girl suck my cocky with passion. Outstanding. Yeah, cause me love make love to him be good. I say, alright then. Give him the one fuck, but as me say, we voice the song before we fuck. Me I say, alright then. When me there on him, happy, me love him vibes, cause me not gonna lie, him treat woman good. Bad demon, you know. You see me, but guess what I say? Devil say no come tell no. I say devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Devil say no come tell him no book up on God. Book up on God on a blood clot demon, but me have God in a me. So me I show you something. You should go up on that blood clot life then, you know, say you take your bait. You take your blood clot bait in a foot I never want no. You not hear what foot I never want no. Foota come and foota one, no. Alright, no. Year out I go start, no. This is going to be the biggest viral moment in your blood clot career. Alright. Leave your blood clot self. Oh. So I know say you know no sense, you know. You know see all the chat me I chat up my mouth for my boss no look for me. Time know me are the female version of him. Him know me mad no blood clot. Him prefer to see me. No, man take the beat to blood clot. I know your sister. I gonna beat on her one time. You never know me beat man too. Hold on.
Alright, Gilly, you know the hog dead. Link 21 bad girl a grand spend. And me full up of the money so me can spend.
I'm not pregnant. I was tricking you guys. Trick me did that trick. No joke. You can't take a joke. Look how much time them trick me. Trick me what they and all tell me say Shorty a call me. And make me talk to Shorty and another Shorty. So me can't trick you no one time. The one time me trick you no one come me. I want to stop calling the people them name. I'm telling you this. Me and Dexta have a song. Zino have a song together. Me and Dexta that's not there. Zine. Me and Dexta that's not in a relationship. We not in we are not even friends. Yeah, straight. We are not even friends. We're just a musician, co-workers. That's it. Straight up.
You better be wise. Don't fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me Junior English revise. The killer me beat and then me trust and revive. Papi, how you feeling? Me feeling alive.
You see why the constabulary force should have go after Kiprich for doing a dub plate. A dub plate is a artistic expression. So, you see it? Broadcasting Commission be a dictator. I don't know if he is a dictator, but that's a dictating concept. Whereas you are trying to tone down our music. The freedom of a people is their word. And you cannot filter people's word. Jamaica government wanna stop go for blood clot Jamaica house go beat down on the something we do not hypocrite self. Because you same politicians are the same ones who are going to need dub plate when election come. So all artists, never see if we're not going to do dub plate now. Cause remember, based on when we learn from this, it's like they're trying to say dub plate ban. So we're going to ban it when election time. We don't plan for ban it when election time. We don't scrap the law there. Because we not abide by the law there. We not going to abide by the law there. We not going to abide by a law where one look at either from Broadcasting Commission come submit to UNO. And UNO then go put it into perspective and put it into law and hide it from the public. And that's something that we keep rich. It's another story that is a political thing where we not do politics. But obviously you use the law this time for your own gain. Because if I not, alright, I'm gonna show you so them use the law this time for them own gain. Because when we talk with intelligence and all of these things, we may cause one and two bad words along the way. But when we talk to government, we don't really deal with them in a bad word. We deal with them in a see them dialect. Yeah. So they use the law what they call Kiprich do a dub plate for the done. A Spanish town will drop out, which is a dub plate. So not so much problem with it and a Spanish town drop out that we have a problem with the man doing a dub plate. And at them time they want to rise for use to enforce the law. So where the two-sided something come from? And that's what I ask you to know. Because obviously this law was passed from 2014. I will never yet execute it. But now on execute it because Kiprich do a dub plate for a Dan. The Dan will pass away. R.I.P. to the Dan. Look how much Dan pass away where we have tune about. Jim Brown and all of these things come right up. When they never execute this law. Because you know the law is stupid. You understand? You use the law when it benefits you. Because first place, you made a law where the public of Jamaica never was aware of this law anyway. You never educate the people of this law. Because if I saw the case, remember, we have, hear me no Babylon, boy. Mind me push a gun in your face. Hear me no Oh, you never execute it then. Oh, you never execute it then. Oh, you never execute it when. Let me tell you about garden. Down there, no expect no flowers. Crazy shootout with 5 hours. President, you never execute it then. It was there. It was there, but you never execute it then. You never execute it with this man from 90s, Machiavelli. You didn't execute it there. So why you choose to execute it when I done then a Spanish town last week and keep it to a dub plate as a... You see it? Don't do that. That's not government. And that what we do, a foolishness. You can't lock up a man for dub plate. That is artistic expression. But you come say about under phonographic law. What the fuck is a phonographic law? That makes sense to you? That makes sense to you? You are telling a man say him can't sing a dub plate. That mean you're telling me that I don't have freedom of speech. I'm a dictator country we live in now. Stop act like Jamaica is a dictator country. Cause little by little we watch now go on like you can dictate to the people them what them for say and them can't say or what them for do and can't do.
Girl, I love you. Bubble your waist with the dancehall power.
Girls, don't you like when guys are clean? Don't you like it? So why is he showing my feet? Is that appropriate to you guys? Not true. Is that appropriate to you guys? Then don't show my feet in the video. Okay? Nah, we're dirty dog. I can stand out now. You can die, he's a good man, I can stand good man. That's a restart, no.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say got that tactic, never by road, I say when you see the lad who left him alone.